All right, new series. Trying to center this new series. Um, Hope you guys can hear me, because if not, then I'll have to redo it. But this is going to be a 90-day or 90 video series um of me becoming consistently profitable. Um, and some people might see this and be like, "Oh, it's only gonna take me 90 days to." No, bro. I've been doing this for like 2 years now, and I think I finally have what it takes, both the skill wise in terms of reading price and my experience over the past 2 years of what to do and what not to do. It's just a matter of listening to my experience and trusting myself and controlling myself. But we'll get into that more of that later. But yeah, this is day one. Um, I know that in just a short amount of time, 3 months can literally change my life if I lock in and stick to my rules and um, follow my experience and trust myself and not act out on my impulses because um, trading is honestly not hard. The only hard part is controlling yourself, for me at least. So let me move that. Um, and if I can just do that, if I can just control myself for 3 months, even 1 month, bro, like I can make a lot of progress in just 1 month. And we're gonna see that. We're gonna see that happen. We're gonna see that happen because I am going to hold myself accountable for this video series, and I guess call it like a little experiment. Just just to see what happens if I follow my rules and stay disciplined. Just because in the past I haven't, like, I've been struggling with these same issues since last year, like September, August. So it's been around like 6 months, half a year now, and I'm still struggling with the same problem. So I think it's about time that I lock in and figure out what's going, like what's possible. I already know what's possible, but I just have to actually do it, and that's the hard part. But I don't know if I'm gonna post this to my public YouTube, or maybe I'll make a separate YouTube channel, like a just like a kind of like a what are those things called? Something like hidden files. I don't know the word for it, but just something like that no one knows about, and I'll just upload on this unknown YouTube channel. And once I finally become profitable consistently, I'll like reveal it, and everyone can see my progress and my journey from day one. But yeah, 3 months seems like a long time from now, but looking back, it's already March of 2024, and January, February, I said I was gonna change. I said I was gonna do things a lot differently than 2023, but to be honest, things have not been that different at all. I've still been acting out on my impulses, not controlling myself, blowing accounts, wasting money, and at this rate, things just aren't going to end well. So things have to change, and I have to change. So this will be, like me kind of putting my foot down on my, like, to myself, like, this is what it's going to take, and it's not going to be easy. I know there's going to be times where I take a loss and I'm just going to want to get back in because that's how I always feel, and then I'll take another loss, and then at that point I'm in drawdown, and then I'll try and get that drawdown back, which will just end in more losses, and then at that point the account's already basically gone, and with whatever drawdown I have left, I just throw that away because I think the account's already done for us, so why not? But yeah, this is day one. Today I did trade, and I did get chopped up, and I did overtrade, and I ended up losing some of my eval accounts. But I reset some and then passed one on the last hour macro, which I will show you right now after I go over this. But or should I go over this right now? Yeah, I'll show the charts real quick. So here's this was before the last trade. So as you can see, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Not the best price action at all until the 250 to 310 macro. That's where it started to sell off a little bit. But as you can see by the arrows, I was just going back and forth, getting chopped up, and this is always what happens when I blow my accounts. This is the exact reason why I'm trying to trade in price action like this, which is like absolutely not what you want to be trading in. But today is Thursday, and we do have NFP tomorrow, so that may be a reason why. But yeah, okay. That was when I got chopped up. Those are all the losses. These are all losses, by the way. I went like every single trader's loss, 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 loss. These are all losses of me just getting chopped up, and then price dropped. Tried going short, aiming for these equal lows. Then it decided to retrace. I got stopped out around break even on that last one. And then it retraced up into a 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute civvy. And then took out buy side. Just placed lower with the fair value gap. I entered on that, and then got off majority of my position here at a 1 to 2 RR, taking out the equal low sell side, and then there was one more sell side level down here that I held a runner on. But yeah, on that trade I passed one of my evals and got some of the other evals I have in profit. So what I learned from, let me see if I can try and actually, yeah, it's kind of too small, but whatever, you guys get the gist. Let me see if I can go like this. Boom. All right. There you go. Perfect. Day one, lessons I learned today was after taking a loss 9 times out of 10, and this is just from like previous data that I have journaled, not just this screenshot, of course, but 9 times out of 10 after taking a loss, it is because the market is not doing anything. So instead of repeatedly pushing the button, trying to force my ideas into the market, aka blowing my accounts because um, I'm trying to force the market to move, even though I do not control the markets. I should wait for the next macro / session for the market to begin moving. So yeah, as you can see, there's like no movement in here at all. But in the moment, like as the candlesticks are printing, it's for me, I wasn't able to tell that this was gonna happen. So that's what my my trade limit is a safety measure for. So after I take like one loss, I should reevaluate and really consider the possibility of the market going into consolidation. So yeah, that's my main takeaway from today. My current funded status is I have one funded eval that's hasn't been traded on yet, and 3 other evals. 2 of them are in profit, and 1 is in drawdown. And that's it. That's pretty much it for now. Day one, not that much to talk about. I really hope I can keep this series going, and it'll be for the good of me. And this will be very valuable in the future. When I can show other people like my journey and what it did. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Day 1 over with. Tomorrow's Friday, NFP, so I will be trading after NFP. I'll watch the morning session. I'll go over. I'll see. Do some chart. I'll look at the chart right now and tell you guys what I'm looking for. So we failed to take out this the all-time high. And on ES we did. So I think that NAS will want to catch up, maybe, and take out this high along with this one tomorrow. I don't think it will want to take out this low because this rebalanced all of that, and I think what I'm going to be watching tomorrow will be the midpoint of this wick. Try and get it. Like that. So that's what I'll be watching. Don't want to see price go below that. And then, so yeah, I'm just aiming for these highs, this one, as well as that one going into tomorrow. There's NFP, so I'm curious to see what that will do for price. But as far as I'm concerned, I think that price will want to take out that high. And then if it does take out that high during NFP or before 10 a.m., then I will probably be looking for shorts depending on the market conditions and what it did recently. But other than that, that's it for now. I will update you guys tomorrow. I'll do one of these tomorrow. I still don't know where I'm going to post this. I'll think about it. But wherever I end up posting it, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.